Hi there, Jay here with Eskuad. Welcome to another video of Eskuad University. On this one, we're going to show you how to create a form, probably one of the most important aspects of the app. From here, you can do a lot of things, but you have to learn how to do this properly. So Enrique from Customer Success will guide you through it.
Once your account is set up and configured to your liking, you can start creating forms. Forms are the foundation of everything you can do in Eskuad. You can create your first form in one of two ways. The first option is to click this Create New button at the top. You can either use a template from our forms repository or start with a blank form and build one from scratch. The other option is to click this Create a Form button under the Ready for the Field section. This will take you directly into a blank form. So now we're inside our form builder. The first thing we'll want to do is name our form. Once we've named our form, we can start building it using a combination of all the different fields on the right-hand side. You can either create a form to look exactly like one that you're filling out with pen and paper, or you can create your own custom forms. It really depends on what it is that you need to do with the form builder. On the right-hand side, you'll see all the different field options that are available in Eskuad. To learn more about each field, you can click this About Fields button, and then select the field that you'd like to learn more about. Next, we can begin building our form. You'll notice that our form builder is very user-friendly, and you'll learn how to use it in no time. To build our form, we'll simply click on the field we'd like to add to our form, and it will be added on the left side, which is how our form will be structured. You'll notice that each field has a field name section, as well as a field description section. Think of this as the title and subtitle of the field. Each field also has settings specific to that field. To learn more about each field and their specific settings, visit hub.eskuad.com and scroll down to the field types page. You can add as many fields as you'd like, and then organize them in any specific way you want them to appear when you or your team members are filling out the form. Once your form looks exactly how you want it to look, you can click Save or Update at the top right. This will save your form and will make it the current version of the form. Now, your form will be instantly published on your Eskuad organization, and anyone who is part of your organization can fill out the form. You can always update who can complete the form or view the data collected from the form or forms in the form settings inside the form. In the form settings, you can also configure the title of your backup or basic reports in the completed form details. Here you can select up to 3 different fields which you would like to appear in the name of your basic or backup reports. Now, you have successfully created your first form. Thank you for watching.
So there you have it. That's how you create a form. There's still a lot to learn. There are many things that you can do with Eskuad to optimize the operational aspects of your business. But for now, let's leave it at that. Cheers.